Alright guys, new scooter got delivered just now. I'm not sure what it is, but let's unbox it and see how it looks like and how well it performs. Hopefully it's fast. Oh, it has a nicer box inside. Look at this. Packing box. Very light. Cool. Outside, and this is the packaging. Generic packaging from GOTRAX that we had the same one as last year. Please get this scooter out. Alright. This is the GOTRAX GT Tour XP model, and this thing only weighs 35 pounds and has this new mechanism, and it's very light. The scooter has 5 upgrades compared to the older previous model, and let me walk you through them. Big screen. Second upgrade, we have this lock here, which is kind of cool. The third is this upgraded folding mechanism. You pull it out, you have this hook, push it down, the stem folds. And this is the fourth upgrade. Here, you can go inside and click it in. Now when you leave the scooter, it will never come out. Much better mechanism compared to the previous model. It clicks in so fast and so easy. And just to remove it, you press on the side, pull it to the right, and it comes out. The deck, much longer, slightly wider, and we have 10-inch pneumatic wheels upgrade, which is so much more comfortable compared to the previous version. You don't need suspension, even in New York City where the roads are very bad. Better quality grips. We have this nice console. Mechanical disc brakes, the same lever as the previous model. We have this ring bell. Here, when you turn it on, you have the safety password option. So you have to go 0 for the first time, and you have to do double click to unlock it. If you don't press the password, look what happens. The rear tire locks in and you cannot move it, and the front beeps and the light start flashing. Now double click and you have L1 speed, L2 speed, and so far I covered 24 miles since I got the scooter. You have a password combination here and a setup button. Entire thing comes out. You pull it all the way out and you insert it right here. Clicks, and your scooter, it's locked to a pole, to a bike rack. And here you can set your combination numbers. You open this here, pull it out, twist it in, hides very nicely. And I haven't seen this feature on any other scooter. The drive system is 36 volts, 7.8 amp hour battery capacity, advertised 20 miles an hour top speed, range 15.5 miles. I like how there's no wire hanging anywhere on the scooter, very clean and compact. Bigger wheels that drastically improves comfort. I recently went for a bus trip, took the scooter with me. Loading it up was so fast, so easy. Nobody asked me any question, the process was so smooth. Perfect. Still one piece.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can. Thank you. I can grab it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And folds so easy and so secure. Very clean design, compact, light, and so easy to use. Top speed. Acceleration, and right now I have extra chargers here. I have a backpack on me with all the camera gear, so probably extra 50-20 pounds. So total weight around 235-240 pounds. Let's see how it accelerates and how it does on top speed. So I have to kick it, and here we go. Green light, that's great. Battery fully charged, and we're in flats right now. Oh, come on, no red light. All right, so we reached 20. And it takes maybe 15-20 seconds. It's not aggressive, but it's gradual, and it's pretty good, I think. And this 10-inch pneumatic tires are actually pretty comfortable, much better than the 8-inch version. And going uphill, It's kind of slowly picking up. So 13, almost 14 miles an hour. Not bad. Not bad for my heavy ass. I like the handlebars and this new grips. The console, we have this ring bell, mechanical disc brakes, nothing fancy, but I think it looks much better than previous last year version. And I like the screen and the safety feature, really nice. Now look at this hook. This is a very nice addition. Range. I managed to cover 10 miles. During the test I had a heavy, big backpack, this awesome loaded peak design, 45 liters, that's about 35 pounds, with good acceleration and powerful enough to hold me surprisingly. Covering 10 miles, I think it's a respectable number, respectable length, since my weight was way about 245 pounds with additional backpack. Uphill, the scooter struggled a bit, reaching around 10 to 11 miles an hour, which is expected with this heavy load. This model comes with cruise control function, activates after 10 seconds of throttle hold. You can hear the slight beep when it activates. Handy option to have for long rides. To activate, just tap the throttle or gently press the brakes. The charger. This is the most compact charger I've seen so far on e-bike or scooters I've tested. Super compact. It takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge from empty. Lights. Doesn't look bright in this clip taken with the GoPro 10, but riding on this trail, it was completely dark. It was easy and pretty bright. This GT Tour XP model looks like a generic electric scooter you see in your city, almost like a rental, but the specs and the new features are really nice and make a difference. It is a great option considering the performance, optionality and the low price of $599 US. This model will be great and you'll get the advertised range numbers if you're on 100 to 175 pounds weight range. In my test with 250 pounds, this scooter still reached 19 miles an hour, powerful and had decent torque and acceleration. This model is perfect for teenagers in school and students in college campuses, also adults for city commuting. Perfect for last mile, getting from the bus stop to the office and back. The new features make this model stand out, and I think GOTRAX managed to release a new model that is perfect all around for under 10 miles commutes. Light, but not sacrificing much on comfort, safety and performance. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this model. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.